Hi, in this video I want to show you how to append text to the right or underneath a dimension. So what I have here is in the model space I drew a simple four-sided polygon square measuring 3 inches on each side, and in the layout paper space I dimensioned it. Now on the top dimension, the 3 inches, if I wanted to write the word width, for instance, to the right of the 3 inches or underneath the 3 inches, what you need to do is go to the properties of that 3 inches, and under the text override, you don't want to just write the word width, because if you do, your 3 inches disappears and it overrides the 3 inches. If you want to keep the dimension so it's dynamically linked to the model space, then you would prefix the word width with a less than greater than sign and write the word width, and now your 3 inches is back with the word width to the right of it. Now if you wanted to write the word width underneath the 3 inches, then after the less than and greater than sign, you would use a /p with a space width, and now the width is underneath the 3 inches. So that's all there's to it. It's pretty simple, but it can cause headaches sometimes finding it, and overriding dimensions is usually not recommended. So there you have it.